نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In the last episode, we finished learning about the gender of a noun, and we basically looked at masculine and feminine. And we realized that in Arabic language, by default, the default gender is masculine, unless and otherwise, if it is one of the 6 categories, then it is considered feminine. So now I would like to test your knowledge, and let's do this together so that we can identify these. Okay, let's start. So I'm going to give you a word, and walidun, think about it. The meaning of walidun is father, right? So as soon as we know the meaning, basically we know the gender of this noun. So this is a masculine. Ukhtun, and the meaning of ukhtun is sister, and ukhtun is feminine. So we know this is feminine by nature. And then we have ummun. Ummun means mom, mother. So it's feminine. Mudarrisun, the meaning of mudarrisun is teacher, and teacher is masculine. Okay. Kabirun, big, and we can see that it doesn't fall into one of those categories yet. There is no ta marbuta. So this is masculine. If there was kabiratun, then it would have been feminine. Akhun, brother, that means it's masculine. Anfun is nose, and we learned that the body part which are in pair, they are feminine. If it's a singular, like we have only one nose, so it is a masculine. So you see, it's a masculine. Similarly, aynun, and this is the body part which we have 2 of. We have 2 eyes. Alhamdulillah. So this is eyes. So this is going to be feminine. So I hope you can see that how we are placing these words into those 6 categories we learned in the previous episodes. And now we are trying to identify them. And in the process, we're also learning some Arabic vocabulary, which will help us. Now let's look at another set of names or nouns. Yadun. Yadun means hand. How many we have? 2. So we learned there is a category that the body parts in pair are feminine. So yad is feminine. Rijlun, legs or feet. We can say how many we have? 2. So that is feminine. Bintun, a girl or a daughter. So that is feminine. Abun, father. That is masculine. Walidun, father. It is masculine. Talibatun. So over here, this is one of the categories where we saw the qiyasi, where we have those 3 symbols. We have the alif mamduda, which is the alif with the hamza, and we have the alif maksura, which is the ya without the 2 dots. And then we had the ta marbuta. Now, 99% of the time when you want to make a non-human a noun into a feminine one, you add the ta marbuta at the end. So talibun, or even the human ones. So talibun is a student, male. Talibatun is a female student. So it is a feminine. Okay. Wajhun. Wajhun is the face. Now we have only one face, and that is masculine, because only body parts which are in pair are considered feminine in Arabic language. Ra'sun is head, and we have only one. So this is a masculine by nature. So thank you for watching. Jazakallah khair. And please let me know what you think about this episode in the comments. Your comments means a lot. It helps me improve the content. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And please don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for upcoming episodes. I hope you're learning a lot, and this bits and pieces are helping you not take the stress from learning the Arabic language. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi. Subhanallahi lazim. Wa bihamdika wa nashhadu la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. See you next time.